quite fun, and with my newly arrived IFB refrigerator, it's gonna get even better. I'm excited to share with you how to install the newly launched IFB refrigerator powered by eTech. Now, let's get started with the installation process. First things first, unboxing. Carefully remove the packaging box. Then, lift the refrigerator from the bottom thermocol and keep it on the floor. Make sure that you have enough space to lay everything out. Inside the refrigerator, you'll find the user manual and some accessories. Keep them all handy, you'll need them. Choose a suitable location for your refrigerator. It should be well ventilated and away from direct sunlight. All heat-generating equipments like gas burner, microwave, etc. should be kept at least 50 centimeters away from the refrigerator. Maintain required distance around the refrigerator for proper air circulation, as prescribed in the manual. Next, leveling. Adjust the front legs in such a way that the refrigerator is slightly lifted from the front. This will help the door to close freely. Connecting to power. Plug the refrigerator into a nearby electrical outlet. Make sure the plug point is of 5 amps or above. Double check the supply voltage to ensure it matches the appliance's requirements. In case of voltage fluctuation, install IFB stabilizer only. Now we're 6 hours away from using the refrigerator. Yes, you heard it right. Leave it to rest for 6 hours for better performance. Make sure the refrigerator is empty and switched off at this time. And then, soft start your refrigerator. Switch the refrigerator on, but make sure you do not store any food items yet. Leave it on for 2 to 3 hours at maximum cool setting. And finally, your refrigerator is ready to use. Follow this last step. Load your new refrigerator with your favorite items. Make sure to arrange your groceries properly, and don't forget to read the user manual for any specific recommendations on how to store different types of food. And there you have it. Your IFB refrigerator is all set up and ready to keep your food fresh and cool.